Hello guys, this is Java 2 program, and for the Java 2 program we have two things that we do. When a question like this comes, we look out for the superclass followed by the subclass. Okay, so we use the subclass to extend the superclass. So when you check from the screen, we have what is called employees work 40 hours per week. So employees has become the super class, and they say employees earn a salary of what $40,000 per a year. Okay, so as you can see from the screen, the secretary, marketer, legal secretary, as you can see on the screen, all of them, it will extend employees. So anything about the employee to extend it. Let's say for the salary, let's say the salary, employees salary is what is 40,000 $40,000 per year. So if the marketer, let's check here, if the marketer's salary is what is different, it's not the same as the employees. Definitely when you are, let's say when you are coding, the marketers, their salary, has to come. You shouldn't use the same the employees salary. Okay, so this is how it goes. So as you can see from the screen, so you read everything, then you take the details, then you write your superclass. After your superclass, then you use your subclass to extend the employees. Okay, so this is how the code is going to be. Now we've gotten to know the details. Now let's start. So this is the employee, that's the super class as the employee. So these are the details. Get hours is the 40 hours that they used to work, and we have the salary, which is what 40,000. Okay, so if you've gotten to know their hours, their salary, then left with the vacation days and then vacation form. Okay, so the vacation days is 2 weeks, that's 10. And you see what vacation form, that's what is yellow, as you can see. Okay, so now let's check for the secretary how to be. So the secretary is going to be extended. So as you can see, secretary extend employee. So these are the details. So secretary is going to take everything about the employees. Okay, so let's check for the marketer. So marketer he has its own the salary, and it's not the same as the employees. Okay, so the legal secretary, it also has its own salary, which is different from the employee. Okay, then we come to the lawyers. We come to the lawyers. So the lawyers, these are the these 15 that we see here is the vacation holidays. Remember that employees, their own is about 2 weeks. So when we say 2 weeks or 3 weeks, so for the 2 weeks, employees, they work from Monday to Friday twice, which is Saturday and Sunday is not part. So when we come to the lawyers, them to the week, they work from Monday to Friday 3 times. That's why we have 15. And also the lawyers, they say their vacation form should represent something like pink. That's why we see pink here. So we ask ourselves, the lawyers, what do they do? They say lawyers handle a string test. What is that? So that's what they say lawsuit. That's what the lawyers do. Okay, so let's continue. So now we've come to the main. This is the main employee. So their employees in their out, they are 1 up to 5. So these are the main main employee or employee main. Okay, so we see something like system.out.print employee, and we say employee Edina equal to new employee. Okay, so this is going to stand for only one employee. As we can see, we say we've given it a name as what? Edina. So followed by the second one, that's the secretary, as you see from the down. So the first one is for the Edina's details, and the second one is for the secretary what details. Let me continue videos. So you see all the 5 what employees. So we've seen what marketer here. We've seen there was the legal secretary here. You see there was the lawyers. Okay. So when you are done with this way, then the second one that we have to do is what is try and then run and see how the output will be. So the details go by one. So the salary that employees what takes, their results what to come out. This is the main employee, followed by what about the secretary, marketers, legal secretary, and so on. All of them, their output will be what it will appear for us to see details. Okay, so the code is on what is on process. It's on process. So let's see how the output will be. Okay, now the output is in. Okay, now let's check. So we have what is called the employee. We see 40 hours. We see 40,000 Ghana cedis. And we have what's called, we see 10 years. This 10 is for what? Their vacation. And then we see what is called a yellow. The yellow is to what they ask, what they say the vacation should represent. So followed by the secretary. So secretary, you can see from the beginning that they extend everything from the employees. So employees, their salary, their take home yellow, whatever, everything is the same thing like those the employees. So when we check from the marketer or the marketers, we see say them you have the same hours that they work, but their salary is different. For their vacation days, it is the same, and then the color or the vacation form to be the same thing. Okay, so when we come to the legal secretary, them they have the same hours, that's 40 hours, but they have their salary to be 45,000 Ghana cedis, and they have the same vacation days to be 10, and the same vacation form to be yellow. When we come to the lawyer has the same 40 hours to work, and they have the same salary like employees. Why? Because from the question, the lawyer, his salary was not detected, or was not represented, or it was not shown in the question. But we know that they say from the question, we say the lawyers, their holidays was 15 days, which is 3 weeks. That's from Monday to Friday, 3 weeks. And they asked for their whole day vacation form to be in pink. Okay, so that's how it is. So now I hope all of us we understand clearly. Now let me continue the video. So that's all about coding, how we want the output to be. So now we are done with the employee main. So we are going to the employee main second, or employee main second or 2. So this is it. So all the names of employees that we had. Now there's it. Now we have come to what initialize it here. We have what initialize it here. They say employee Edina equal to new employee. Secretary Stan equal to new secretary. Marketer Indo equal to new marketer. Legal secretary Leo equal to legal secretary. Lawyer Lucy equal to new lawyer. So as you can see, it's how I initialize the employees. It's the same thing that you write it as what. As you can see from here, they say print info. You say Edina, they just put the name there. Okay, let me continue the video. Okay, so after that, you have to write down the employees, their main work. Why am I saying that? Because we want the employee to stand, one of them to stand, or we want to use one of the employee to print out the details of the third or the second employee mail. Okay, so we can use any of the name. So we can use any of the employees. We can use like either Indo, either Ilu, either Lucy, whatever. So as you see from the top here, they say print information about any kind of employee. I hope it's well understood. They said what? Print information about any kind of employee. So as you can see here, we've taken only one employee. That's the output will be like, say, oh, this is what you are going to say. So the output that you see here means what? Print all the